If you've ever struggled with tangled hoses, bulky compressors, or nailers that slow you down mid-project, you already know how much the right cordless brad nailer can matter. The wrong one can break your rhythm, while the right one makes everything feel faster, smoother, and way more precise. The issue is that not all cordless brad nailers perform the same. Some are built for speed but lack control. Others offer precision but don't keep up on bigger jobs. And then there are a few that try to balance everything but fall short where it counts. That's why we put together this list of the 8 best cordless brad nailers, each one standing out for a different type of project and workflow. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these cordless brad nailers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Works Nitro WX 842L. This is the most advanced cordless brad nailer on our list. Right away, what sets this apart is the Nail Force Air Impact technology. You're getting strong, consistent driving power that can push 2-inch brad nails clean into hardwood. So when you're working on trim, molding, or baseboards, everything feels secure and controlled from the first shot. And then you get true cordless freedom. No hoses or compressors. You can move freely around your workspace without stopping or adjusting your setup. That makes a noticeable difference, especially during longer projects. On top of that, it's built for speed. You can fire up to 80 nails per minute. So when you're covering larger areas, you're not slowing down, you stay in rhythm and get through tasks faster. Now, to keep things flowing, the tool-free jam release clears stuck nails quickly. And the anti-ejection design adds extra safety when you're reloading or clearing jams, which gives you more confidence while working. Plus, it runs on the PowerShare platform. You can use the same battery across over 140 tools, which makes your setup more flexible. And here's what Annie says. I absolutely love this brad nailer. It's become an essential tool for all my DIY projects. The size is perfect. It fits comfortably in my hand, but it's still surprisingly powerful. I've used it to install beadboard in my entry hall, and it worked like a charm. So if you want the most advanced cordless nailer, this is the one. Number 7 is the Adotacam 2-in-1. This is the most versatile cordless brad nailer on our list. First off, the versatility really stands out. You're getting both a brad nailer and a stapler in one tool. So you can switch between 18-gauge nails and 18-gauge crown staples depending on what your project needs. And it gets even better because it's compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries. So if you already have those, you're saving time and keeping your setup simple. Then you've got flexibility in how you work. With 2 firing modes, you can go single shot for precision or contact fire for speed. Switching between them feels quick and natural. Also, the adjustable depth control lets you fine-tune how each fastener sits. That's huge when you're working across different materials. And for usability, you've got an LED light, an ergonomic grip, and a 100 nail capacity magazine. So you're not constantly reloading. It even comes with nails and staples included, which makes getting started super easy. And here's what Cameron says. Great nailer, especially for the price. Works will, not jams to date, and working with an existing battery platform is fantastic. Battery life is good, so runs efficiently, easy to use, and functions great with a solid nail feed. So if you want the most versatile tool, this is the one. Number 6 is the D-Force 18-gauge. This is the best cordless brad nailer for adjustable precision on our list. What really stands out here is the control. You can adjust the nail depth using a simple dial. So whether you're working on delicate trim or dense hardwood, you can fine-tune everything exactly how you want. Because of that, your finish looks cleaner and your work feels more intentional. Then you also get 2 firing modes. Single mode gives you accuracy. Contact mode lets you move faster when needed. And switching between them feels seamless. On top of that, it's a 2-in-1 tool. You can basically use both brad nails and staples. That adds more flexibility without switching tools. And to keep things smooth, the tool-free jam release clears nails quickly, no extra tools needed. That's especially helpful in tight spots. Plus, you also get an LED light, a lightweight ergonomic build, and a 100 nail magazine for a consistent workflow. It even includes nails and staples, so you can jump right in. So if you want the best adjustable precision, this is the one. Number 5 is the Works Nitro WX 842L.9. This is the best cordless brad nailer for fast-firing speed on our list. Speed is where this one really shines. You're getting up to 80 nails per minute, so you can move through larger projects quickly and keep your rhythm going. And just like the other Nitro model, it uses Nail Force air impact technology, so you're still getting strong, consistent performance when driving into tougher materials. Then you've got flexibility with 2 firing modes. Contact mode lets you go rapid. Sequential mode gives you more control. You can adjust based on what you're doing. And to keep your workflow smooth, it includes a tool-free jam release, a quick load magazine, and a low nail indicator so you always know when to reload. There's also a dry fire lockout, which helps protect both your tool and your work surface. And because it runs on the PowerShare system, you can use the same battery across multiple tools. So if you want the fastest firing speed, this is the one. And if you want to know the latest prices for the cordless brad nailers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Skill PWR Core 20. This is the most efficient runtime cordless brad nailer on our list. What really stands out here is how long you can keep working. You can drive up to 1,000 nails on a single charge with the 2.0 ampere-hour battery. So you're not stopping constantly to recharge. You just keep going. And along with that, you're getting strong, consistent performance. It can drive up to 2 nails per second with minimal ramp-up time. That makes your workflow feel fast and smooth. Then you've got control built right in. The quick depth adjustment wheel lets you dial things in easily. So whether you're working on trim or tougher material, you stay precise. Also, it's compact and lightweight. So when you're working in tight spaces or overhead, it feels easier on your hands. To make things even better, you get dual LED lights for visibility, plus a dry fire lockout to protect your surface. And when something does get stuck, the tool-free jam clearance keeps things moving without interruption. So if you want the most efficient runtime, this is the one. Number 3 is the Chemo 20-volt brad nailer. This is the most complete cordless brad nailer kit on our list. Right away, what makes this stand out is how much you get in one package. You're getting 2 batteries, a charger, and 1,000 nails and staples included. You can literally open the box and start working immediately without buying anything extra. And because you got 2 batteries, your workflow stays uninterrupted. One battery powers the tool while the other charges. So you're not stopping mid-project or waiting around. You just keep going. Then there's the speed. This can fire up to 180 nails per minute, which is seriously fast. When you're handling larger projects like paneling or trim work, you can move quickly and stay efficient without breaking your rhythm. At the same time, you're still in control. The adjustable depth knob lets you fine-tune every shot. Whether you're working on softer materials or something denser, you can dial it in exactly how you want. Plus, you also get 2 firing modes. Single mode gives you precision for detailed work, and contact mode lets you move faster when you need to cover more ground. And on top of that, it's a 2-in-1 tool, so you can switch between nails and staples depending on the job. It's also under 6 pounds, which makes it easy to handle, especially when you're working overhead or in tighter spots. So if you want the most complete kit, this is the one. Number 2 is the DeWalt DC N680B. This is the best value for money cordless brad nailer on our list. The biggest thing here is reliability and performance in one package. You're getting a 100% battery-powered system. There's no need for gas, compressors, or hoses, and that keeps things simple and efficient. Now, the brushless motor gives you strong runtime and durability. You can fully rely on it for consistent performance over time. Plus, you also get better accuracy with the micro nose design, which improves your line of sight. That means you can place nails exactly where you want them. For control, the tool-free depth adjustment helps you set the perfect countersink, and the tool-free jam release keeps your workflow smooth. Then there are the extra touches. The LED lights help with visibility and diagnostics. The selectable trigger lets you switch between modes, and the low nail lockout protects your work surface. It all comes together in a tool that feels refined and dependable. So if you want the best value for money, this is the one. Number 1 is the DeWalt DCN680D1. This is the best overall cordless brad nailer on our list. What really makes this one stand out is how complete it feels the moment you pick it up. You're not dealing with extra setup or figuring things out. It's just ready to go, you grab it, load it, and you're already working. And of course, it's 100% battery powered, so there's no gas, no compressor, no hoses getting in your way. You can move freely, switch angles easily, and stay focused on what you're doing. Now, when you actually start using it, the brushless motor makes a difference right away. It feels strong, consistent, and reliable. Whether you're doing light trim or something a bit more demanding, it just keeps up without slowing you down. Then there's the accuracy. The micro nose gives you a really clear line of sight, so placing nails feels natural. You're not guessing, you're hitting exactly where you want. And when you need to adjust things, it's simple. The tool-free depth adjustment lets you dial it in fast. The selectable trigger lets you switch between control and speed depending on the job. You've also got those small features that make a big difference. The LED lights help you see better and even give you quick feedback. The stall release lever helps you reset fast. And the low nail lockout protects your surface. Overall, it just feels smooth, balanced, and easy to trust every time you use it. So if you want a brad nailer you can rely on for pretty much any project, this is the one. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect cordless brad nailer. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each cordless brad nailer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.